Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. The website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxmen.com. And in this video, we're going to show you really quick. We had a couple of questions for this. How to set up My TV Online 2 for the launcher screen and the home screen success in 2025. So we're going to set up the launcher screen for you and take a look at the home screen and some options on this Formuler device with My TV Online 2. If this is your first time to one of our platforms, to include YouTube, thank you guys for tuning in. I'd appreciate if you could, and find it in your heart to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me with the algorithm of YouTube. So the launcher screen, let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, this is how I would set up my device, but I'm going to go over some basics so everyone can get on the same page. When I say My TV Online 2, I'm referencing that application on the left-hand side, right under the apps, right there. This means there's different models of this device that carry this application. This happens to be a Formuler Z10. But this will work on all applications or devices that run My TV Online 2. So we have to change anything on a media device, you got to have permissions. And Formulars are open Android devices. They're not locked down. The developer options will be open, so they have nothing to hide. What the customer does to them is the customer's prerogative. It's legal to do. You can't tell someone who purchases this device and uses the internet that they can't put what they want on their device. Now, what we're going to do on this device to get things rolling, you have to go to launcher settings. It is down the home page, and to the right, you'll see launcher settings right there. So the first thing you can do is change your app groups. And if I click on app groups, you got default A. I named one the link, and then you have a locker. So let's go ahead and take a look at your home page really fast so you can see. At the top, we have default A. This is all the apps that I put in default on this line. I also created an app or a line called the link. These are the ones that you can put on the link right here. You can change those and add things to them by going to launcher settings here. And then you can go into the app groups. And let's say you choose on the link, you can enable it. Now you can go and select the apps or deselect the apps for the link. So if I wanted to put the Play Store on the link, I can just turn that on. And when I go back to the home page, as I'm hitting back, you'll see that the Play Store has been added. So that is some pretty good customization on there. Let me go back down the launcher settings really quick. Another thing you can do is if you have, TV channels or you want to see what you last watch, you can click on customize channels. When I press OK on that, I'm going to turn it on this one and turn it on that one. If I hit the back button, it should show you what I've been watching on this device where they saved it. So A&E, and then you have TV2, you have Impact, Spectrum, ESPN, and NBA TV. So those are right there. So let's go back to launcher settings. And then if you ever wanted to take those off, it's super easy. Just turn those off just like that, and then they're gone. All right. Another thing you can do is you can choose the startup app. So if I wanted to do the startup app, let's say I want it when it turns on, I want it to go to Smart Tube. So I'll click on that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and reboot the box. I'm going to restart it. Or let me down, I should say. Let the box go ahead and do what it does on the Z10 Pro. And we're going to let it open up. There it is. There's the screen for Formuler. And as it opens up from loading, if it works, it's going to go straight to the application of SmartTube something with my internet, probably because I have, there it is right there. So there, it went straight to Smart Tube. Okay, so you can change that again. Let's go to launcher settings. I can change it all. I usually use it with it on none. I like it to land on the home page. Now what gets really good is that you can add a background photo. So if I go down to, let's say, advanced, and then I'll hit the wallpaper, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to apps, and then I'm going to choose my default, not that, I'm going to choose my local, and then I'm going to choose the storage that I have, and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to look for, let's say, the karate guy here, and then I'm going to, once I select that, I can hit the home button and go back, and now I have this karate guy sitting, you know, legs crossed. So you can change the background however you like. This came off a screenshot off of my computer with Brave browser. I'll go back in and do it one more time, and just to show you some different things. So I'll go here, and then I'm going to go back to advanced. I like the karate guy. Hit the wallpaper, hit apps again, and I'll go to local, and here again, and let's say we go all the way down to the bottom, and let's say how about the Chat GPT one, and I'll hit the back one, and I think now you have a starry night. So I like that one as well. It kind of blends a little bit better with the background, so it goes all the way down. So you can really take your time with it. Let's go one more time to launcher settings as we close out. This is Mytvonline 2. So your parental settings, this is very important. So the default password is 4 zeros unless you change it. So if you want to change the PIN, show quick settings, or in lock system settings, this gives you full control over the content that is on the device by putting a PIN with it. The last thing I will do is I don't need to show you any more, simply because I think that's enough. Now on the next video, or the video to come, I will show you Mytvonline 3 and how to do that launcher page, because it's a lot different than this one, but the processes are the same. So if you have this device or something with Mytvonline 2, go ahead and follow this video. It should help you out. I enjoy the comments below. Let me know if you have a Formuler, or maybe you have what device you have, and what do you use to, you know, kind of change your launcher screen. Do you change the launcher itself? Because with these, you don't really need to change the launcher. You can't really put another launcher on a Formuler. You have to use what they give you, and it seems pretty easy to do. So as I close out the video, I want to wish everyone a great week. We are definitely going into the month of August, so we appreciate you. Hey, I'm still having, on August 21st, I'm giving away a free Z11 Pro Max BT1. That's a Bluetooth remote, the most expensive Formuler that they have. I'll put a link in the description where you click the link, you'll put in your information, and you'll get a text confirmation, and then we'll choose the winner on August 21st. So look in the description of the video, follow the prompts, and good luck to everyone. I will call and text the winner and even ship it out to you for free. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Don't keep me a secret. I appreciate it. Don't keep me a secret, and we're grateful for you taking time to watch this video.